Guys, ever since I moved to America, I've come to realize that about 90% of the affordable, high-quality electronics and everyday items you find here are actually made in China. Even things I regularly use, like rifle stocks or aiming scopes, are all domestically manufactured. What's even more stupid, I heard that many bulletproof vests here in the US are actually made in China. So today, I will take you all to test the quality of our Chinese-made bulletproof vests. Today, I specifically spent a lot of money to buy 3 models of these Chinese-made vests. So, let's check them out. First off this particular piece here, it cost me 50 Chinese yuan, and it's extremely thin. It's a steel plate. Then the second piece, I recall it was around 150 Chinese yuan, and judging by the sound, it's also a steel plate. And the third one, this is actually the most expensive piece I've ever purchased. This single piece cost me a total of 2,000 Chinese yuan, guys. This bulletproof plate you see, it's a ceramic plate. The seller told me it's a certain class of body armor, specifically level 4. He claimed it could block rounds like 5.56 AK ammunition, and even said it could withstand Barrett's armor-piercing rounds. To be honest, I'm a bit suspicious. Few bulletproof vests can withstand a Barrett, but you can see its thickness. It's thicker than these two combined earlier, so for it to sell for 1,500 yuan, I think it's quite reasonable. It feels very solid when tapped, extremely solid. So these 3 pieces cost me a total of 3,000 Chinese yuan. So guys, the expenses for today's video are too much. If you can, please don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe, okay? Help me recoup some costs. To test these 3 bulletproof vests, I've brought all my guns. This is my small arsenal, but you can guess in the comments if my ceramic plate can withstand these 5 different calibers. Alright, no more talking, let's start now. Let's try the 9mm first, see if the 9mm can pierce this $50 board. Actually, I feel guys, this $50 board is really too thin, and the steel plate's toughness isn't very good, so I even think it might just go straight through. Whoa, my friends, this shot went a little bit wide, but it didn't actually pierce through. It just left a bullet mark right on the surface. Do you see that? And from the back, we don't feel any clear bulge, but there is a slight one. Let's take one more shot. This time, we'll aim a little more towards the center. This shot hit the absolute center, and it didn't penetrate at all. Holy crap, this vest is amazing. Don't even talk about it. It stopped it for 50 bucks. This is quite unexpected, guys. I truly thought it would go through, but it just deflected the bullet with a bonk. Damn, that's incredible. Next up is a 12-gauge slug. We'll try it with a shotgun. Shotguns aren't powerful, just a wide spread. To shoot through something? I doubt it. Let's try it. Here we go. It should hold up. This is quite powerful, but looking at it now, I don't think the bulletproof vest was penetrated at all. It's completely impenetrable. You can see all these bullet marks on it. Look at the impact marks. They just bounced right off hard. Next, we'll use a 5.56 caliber bullet. Don't let its small caliber fool you. Its penetration is incredibly strong, so I suspect this steel plate will really go through with just one shot. Come on, take a look. The AR-15 just shot straight through it. Here, one of my shots hit the top edge, and then it directly made a hole, a crescent shape. I guess it probably went through other places too. Let me check. Oh, here. That's right. Look, the steel plate. A hole. Look behind. Wow, the AR-15 can't be stopped. It really can't, guys. So there's no need to test it further. A 51 plate, frankly, it's done after the AR-15. But honestly, guys, for 50 RMB, what more do you expect? If it can stop 9mm, I think it has already fulfilled its mission. The next one is $20. Let's place it right next to its colleague, so it can stand together with its colleague, alright? We'll start with the 9mm one first. Oh, this looks a bit bad, guys. Come take a look. No, for $120, this tape went in here. That's right. But the dragon fin at the back is too large. The tape has already pushed out. It's about to break through. No, guys, this quality is a bit fantastic. It's a $15 more expensive than others, but the quality isn't as good. Next, we'll use the shotgun. Let's see if the shotgun can hold up. That shot completely destroyed it, honestly. Wow, this is really not looking good, guys. On the front side, you can clearly see a huge number of bullet holes. Yeah, that's what buckshot does. But on the back, it actually held up pretty well and didn't break through. Now the whole thing just looks like a small, flattened mound. Oh my gosh. 9mm and 12 gauge caused bulges, but it stopped them. But next, with 5.56, I guess the steel plate won't hold, it should still penetrate. Let's try it. This is definitely pierced through, same as always. Covered in bullet holes on top, see? And the back, completely penetrated. And notice this, its entry point is very small, while the exit point isn't very large either. This proves one thing, guys, that this bulletproof vest's actual protection isn't as good as the steel plates. Look, the steel plate has a huge opening. What does that mean? It means the steel plate gave the bullet great resistance when it hit the vest. That's why it has such a large bulge. This is why, like here, it burst open at the back. But the vest, with little resistance, didn't burst. Finally, the most expensive plate in today's video, a level 4 ceramic bulletproof plate. I'm sure this expensive plate is better than the other two, but how much better? Let's test it now. Let's go. Because this plate is ceramic, you can see after this shot, the inside is like tofu. Stopping 9mm is no problem, but that's quite normal, guys, since it's a ceramic plate. If it couldn't stop 9mm, that would be something else. Next, the second gun, a shotgun. It's quite painful to shoot with a shotgun, because ceramic plates have a characteristic. Unlike steel plates, they cannot withstand continuous impacts at one point, whereas steel plates actually can. Wow, guys, come take a look. Oh my god, all the ceramic pieces inside are completely shattered. Let's look at the back. The back should be fine. The back is fine, just a small bump, but it's not serious. So, a shotgun, no doubt, it'll stop easily. Now, we're bringing out the big guns, 5.56 and 7.62. Alright everyone, let's take a good look. Wow, just look at this. What an enormous hole. You all have to see this. It didn't go through. Holy crap. Awesome, look, such a big bulge. These $2,000 weren't wasted, but it stopped it. I imagine it would still hurt quite a lot on impact. For guns like the AK, guys, steel plates are very easily penetrated because the AK truly has immense destructive power. So I wonder how my bulletproof vest will hold up. Oh! Why do I feel like my bulletproof vest has been completely torn apart, guys? This situation is really not good at all. Let's take a closer look. Oh yeah, that's right. See this shot? This is definitely from an AK, and all the material from inside, it's completely spilled out. Can you see that? That's absolutely terrifying. Such a huge hole. If a bone had been right here, I suspect at best a broken rib, and at worst, severe internal bleeding. I'm just gonna fire 2 .308 rounds, alright? And then you guys can get a sense of just how big a .308 round really is. I really hope that Chinese bulletproof vest can actually hold up against this .308. Did it manage to break right through? It looks like it actually held up. Take a look at this raised part. This is the fresh mark from my last hit. It struck right here and was completely stopped. How do you stop this? This is insane, guys. I hit it right here, and the ceramic here shattered. After shattering, it moved to this spot, and it held up. This is unbelievable, even though it's separated now, because it was hit and vibrated apart. But stacking the front and back, it can actually block a .308 round. Holy crap, that's amazing, guys. This $2,000 item, it stopped a pistol, stopped a shotgun, stopped an M4, then stopped a 7.62 AK, and finally even stopped my big boss, the .308. But I'm sure you're all curious. Since my bulletproof vest blocked bullets from all these guns, what gun can it not stop? What I mean is, it certainly won't stop a .50 caliber bullet. But I can't test it for you, because .50 caliber is banned in California. But if you want me to review the Barrett for you, that's totally fine, okay? It's just that the Barrett in California can only use the .416 caliber. This is a very strange caliber. I've never used this one before. But if you'd like to see it, if this video doesn't need too many likes, say 50,000, I'll review this California legal Barrett for you. So, for today's video, we'll stop here for now. If you guys like watching this type of video, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.